As a first step, in this case, we're supposed to convert the square root to the exponent. Okay, so we're supposed to write that this is equal x squared times 5 plus x squared to power 1/2, where this factor is my u and this factor is my v. So I have u equals x squared. So derivative of u is equal to x. V is equal 5 plus x squared to power 1/2. Derivative of v is equal constant, which is in our case 1, so we are not going to write it, times n, which is my exponent. So I have 1/2 times u. U is the content of my parentheses. So I have 5 plus x squared and exponent minus 1. So I have 1/2 minus, in this case, 2/2 times the derivative of the content of my parentheses. So derivative of 5 plus x squared is nothing else, just 2x. Why? Because derivative of constant is equal 0, and I'm supposed to keep the positive sign. Derivative of x squared is equal 2x. So if v prime is equal 1/2 is multiplied to the parentheses over here, right? But it's also multiplied to 2x. So if I have multiplication, I can reduce this 2 and this one. So x, I'm going to have at the front of the parentheses, I'm going to have 5 plus x squared, 1/2 minus 2/2 is equal negative 1/2. Okay, so this is my v prime. Next, I'm supposed to use the formula. So if y prime is equal u, okay, u, so my u is equal x squared times v prime, this is my v prime, x, 5 plus x squared to power negative 1/2 plus v, where v is equal 5 plus x squared to power 1/2, this is my v, times u prime, which is equal 2x. Okay, so next I'm going to write that y prime is equal x squared times x is equal x to the third, and I have 5 plus x squared to power negative 1/2 plus, I'm going to bring 2x to the front, so I have 2x, open parenthesis, and I have 5 plus x squared to power 1/2. Next, simply write that this is y prime equals x cubed over, let me do everything step by step, I'm going to convert the negative exponent to positive, so I have 5 plus x squared to power 1/2 plus 2x, and exponent I'm going to convert to the square root, so I have square root 5 plus x squared. So this is equal, I'm going to convert exponent 1/2 to square root 2, so this is x cubed over square root of 5 plus x squared plus 2x square root 5 plus x squared. and this is the solution to my problem.